Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we got a pretty special truck. I've never seen one of these before. It's a 1951 Dodge B1 pickup truck. Job rated, right bro?
That's right, it is. Let's get it right back into the working mode.
That's great.
Runs great.
I got the owner here. Is going to tell us a little bit about it. So spent a lot of time and love restoring this one, huh?
Yeah, it's been a good time. You know, the engine's been restored. The top engine rebuild on Long Island. It runs great. It's a flat 6 original engine. I want to keep everything stock as the best I can, and it's been a labor of love for the past 10-15 years, just keeping it clean and keeping it nice. And I decided to go with the two-tone to have a unique look.
Definitely unique. I love the colors.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
Nice big cab too for an old truck. You know, they're all cramped up in there. You know, like
right.
the F1s. They're real tiny.
Yeah, it's a nice to have the headroom and extra room to store some things in there. But it's a daily driver. You know, whenever I can, I get in there and do my errands and
run around. Nice and reliable, right?
Yeah, it gets a lot of looks.
Such a crazy look. Almost looks like a Tonka toy or something. Right, bro? Love it.
Thank you.
Job rated. Very cool. 3-speed manual?
That's it. Yep, 3 on the tree.
Okay.
Haggerty had us bring it to New York City because I liked it so much.
Really?
Yeah, so we did a little like on Fox News. They showcased it for its unique style.
It's very unique. I sell tons of pickups, but I've never seen one of these. I think they call the cab a pilot house. I think so. Very cool. Nice big bench seat. Lots of headroom, plenty of foot room. So it's good for a nice tall guy. You know, the tall guys are all cramped up in these F1s.
Yeah, that's true, right.
There's no room in those trucks. 3 on the tree. Straight 6. They're indestructible. Showing 45,399 miles. Love your Trico fan too.
Is that classic? My grandfather left that in the box, and coincidentally, it fit perfectly onto this build.
Looks great, man.
Exactly.
Very cool.
Isn't it?
Is that a heater down there?
Yes.
Cool. Love it. Let's fire it up.
There you go.
Man, like a sewing machine, right?
Yeah. Real smooth.
Can we go for a ride?
You got it, of
Yeah,
course.
let's go.
Let me just tell my daughter for a second.
Okay.
The rolls just hit the
Very cool. Probably get a lot thumbs up, huh?
Oh yeah, people love seeing this.
So cool.
Blast from the past.
A lot of torque.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Especially compared to the bus, you know.
Sure. Love the big split window. It's huge in here.
Isn't it?
Compared to the other trucks, it's just night and day.
Is that right? Wow.
Yeah. The other ones are all cramped up.
Tell me when to turn around.
That's cool. Dude, that Trico fan is awesome.
Isn't that? I love that.
So cool.
I couldn't believe it when I found that fan.
You're like, I got a home for this.
You know, and I never understood why there were 3 holes.
Oh, there were the holes there already?
Yeah, the holes were already there, and I had no idea what went there.
Huh.
And then I had a fan left from my grandfather. And just put 2 and 2 together.
Wow.
Yeah.
And the bracket and everything was right in the box and it bolted up?
Yeah.
Wow.
It works from the air from the brakes.
Oh, so it's a vacuum.
Vacuum, yeah.
Wow.
So when you want a good breeze, you gotta pump the brakes a couple of times.
Ah, neat. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot and have a great day.